Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will be talking about 5 applications that everyone needs to have in their phone. These are the applications anyone can have, be it a college student, school student or a working professional, because these will be helpful for you no matter what. And basically these are the applications that will actually help you in accomplishing your tasks, keeping your distractions away from you. Like many of us have the complaints that we get distracted by the applications like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the suggestions that we get to get rid of them is simply uninstall them. But for me it doesn't actually work, because uninstalling the applications is not a solution. You can use it from anywhere. So what I find a perfect solution is what I am going to tell you in this video. And so let's get into the video. So the first one I have in my mind is digital well-being. This is either available in your phone itself, or you can find it on the Play Store. If I find one, I'll link in the description below, so you can download it for yourself. And from there you can simply hide your applications and make it difficult for yourself to access them, because when you hide them you will have to enter some passcodes or your passwords every time you want to access them, which will make it difficult for you, and you will then somewhat feel, yeah, it's wasting my time, and you will not access them. And when it's hidden you will not also see them, so it will not be distracting for you. As it works for me, I hope it works for you as well. Alright, so the next one that we have is for getting your task accomplished, or making a schedule for yourself. So once you have got rid of all the distracting applications for now, what you can do is you can use Google Calendar, where you can make your reminders, your events, your tasks, daily tasks, and you can use it even on your phone and your laptop. And with the help of it, it will remind you every time you have to accomplish a task, so that you don't miss out on anything. You just have to type your task and set a reminder when you want to accomplish it, and whatever it is for you, and you will be able to do it very well. So this will help you in doing all your tasks effortlessly and manage all your time. Once you have taken care of all your tasks to be done, and all your things are in place, you will have to make some notes, maybe jot down some important points. For that we have Google Keep Notes, and this application is very good. You can save your important pictures, you can make some lists and save all your important things here. And because it is by Google, it is very good. You don't have to get any other extra applications, because it is mostly available in your mobile phones already, so you don't have to get another from anywhere outside your Play Store. You will get it already. And because it's from Google, again it will also be available for the iOS devices and the Apple users. Getting to the next one, we have Doc Scanner. Here it is, and this is somewhat a replacement of Cam Scanner that we all of us have used a lot. But since it is now banned, it is a Chinese application, this is a good replacement for that. It has almost all the features from Cam Scanner, and it's really good. You can simply scan your documents with your phone and make a PDF from it, or make it image of it, or whatever you like. It's all upon you, because every now and then we either have to make notes from make a PDF of our notes, or we either have to scan some documents and send someone. So it makes it really feasible and easy to use. You can make any kind of notes in this, and even scan your IDs. There is a special function for that, so it will be really helpful for you in doing all of that stuff. The last one that we have is our wallet application. This application is useful for all the people who are having any kind of source of income, or they have an account to manage, or so that they can keep a track of their expenses and see where they are spending their money and manage it. Because these days all of us need to manage our funds and see how we are spending our money, what is our income, so that it stays in a it is balanced. It does not go too much up and down, and we just go off track, end up spending too much money. So this will help you a lot. We will be able to see all your expenses in different categories and see what is going on actually in your account. Alright, so these were the 5 applications that I use, and if you have any suggestions for me, please tell me in the comment sections below, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you keep updated with the new videos. Thank you.